like fruits? Do you eat one a day, or do you prefer mixing all the fruits you have in a delicious fruit salad? We usually think that fruits and vegetables are always welcome, but did you know that this is not always the case? Your meals don't become healthier just because they are natural. Actually, some food combinations are dangerous and can even mess with your digestive process. Adults with poor digestion suffer from discomfort, but children may have even serious consequences. So it is necessary to clarify which combinations are dangerous, such as banana and pudding. Besides making the stomach heavier, this mixture increases the production of toxic gas, which is especially bad for children. Orange and carrots. This combination is common in juice places, but it causes heartburn and damages to the renal system. It also increases the risk of infections and diarrhea. Papaya and lemon. This combination can harm your digestion. Sweet fruits don't go well with acid fruits. Guava and banana. Combining these two increases stomach acidity. The results are gas, headache, and stomach ache. Orange juice and bread. Some people like drinking a glass of orange juice with a sandwich. Orange is unable to process the starch of bread. This combo is super hard to digest, especially for children. Fruits and vegetables. The sugars of fruits slow down the digestion of vegetables, which causes fermentation and thus intoxication. The symptoms are diverse, like headache, stomachache, diarrhea, and infections. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Besides these combinations, you should also keep in mind that each fruit can only be combined with another from the same group. Some examples. Sweet fruits. These don't contain any acidity such as peaches, plums, bananas, apples, watermelon, and melon. Acid fruits. Grapefruit, orange, lemon, blueberry, kiwi, grapes, and pineapple. Subacid. Green apples, mangoes, raspberries, and strawberries. Neutral fruits. These fruits contain more proteins, vitamins, minerals, and oils, such as avocado, coconut, peanut, almonds, and nuts. Now that you know which fruits can be combined and which can't, tell us your experience about eating fruits from the opposite groups. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.